Once you purchase a preset, you're gonna get an email and you're gonna click on the link. You're gonna click on download now, download the preset, then you're gonna go on the iZip app and save this as an image. Then you're gonna go on Lightroom and from your camera roll, get that picture. It's gonna show DNG, copy the settings, and then you want to pick whatever photo that you want to apply the settings to. So this is the original photo, and then I'm basically gonna copy the settings to the DNG preset to this picture so you guys can see how it looks totally different. Then you're gonna save this picture to your camera roll. Once you do that, then you can go ahead and create this preset and name it however you want. I'm just gonna keep it the same, Dinky and Luna. So this one you're gonna save the preset and then you're gonna save it as modified. Once you save it and it's under your user presets, you're gonna scroll all the way to your right under user presets, click on that. I'm gonna pull up the original photo so you guys can see that the preset is on there. So I do have other presets, as you can tell, Coffee and Nails, Dinky and Luna. So I'm gonna click on Dinky and Luna so you can see that the preset is saved. And then I'm messing around with other presets, and then I'm gonna save this one so that way I can show you guys two different presets on the same picture.